So the first thing in the morning, I pick up my smartphone from the office because of course I do not take it out of the office for now, Baruch Hashem. It's been over a month. It's actually hard to believe that it's been almost a year. Kufches Iyar. Last year I was by Rebelli, I was Zoiche, to do a What a Day with Rebelli Stefansky Shlita. I learned a few things from him. One of the things, if you've seen the episode, you'll see that he walks on a treadmill in the morning to learn the daf.
Welcome to all the guests.
Yeah, so I try every day to do the daf before I start my day. Not every single day I'm able to do this. Not every single morning. And not always I wear a white shirt. But it's all credit to Rebelli that taught me that you can do toilet and the gym at the same time. So Baruch Hashem, I'm still doing the daf every single day. I missed maybe 3 or 4 dapim throughout the entire year. Emails? None. Every single email. Baruch Hashem, keep strong. And even though sometimes I miss a daf here, there, Rebelli says just skip to the next and keep going. And I wish you to do the same. That is Hashem.